Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. In today's video we are gonna be preparing mandazis, and I'll be showing you the simplest possible way to prepare mandazis at your home. Without much further ado, let us get straight into this video. In case you've not subscribed, kindly do so, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I upload a video. So let's get to this video. Into a bowl, I'm gonna be adding 3 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna sieve that. When that is done, I'll follow it up by 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, followed by 1 teaspoon baking powder, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, followed by a 1/2 cup granulated sugar. Be sure to mix this up and mix it well so that all the ingredients are well mixed and evenly distributed. To another bowl, I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup of warm milk, followed by 30 ml vegetable oil, followed by 1 egg. Mix that up. When that is done, to the bowl with the dry ingredients, add in the wet ingredients gradually as you mix that. Mix to have a doughy consistency. You can go in and use your hands in case you don't have a strong spatula. If you want to know that your dough is ready, it should be looking like this. It shouldn't be sticky. And if it is, just sprinkle it with a little bit of flour. After this, we're going to give it a period of 30 to 1 hour minute. A period of 30 minutes to 1 hour for rest. And when it has rested, it should have doubled in size, or at least it should have increased in size. And this is our dough after the rest. Again, if the dough is a little bit sticky, sprinkle some flour. Next up, cut your dough into 8 equal pieces. Next up is making the dough into balls, and this is how I do it. And by the way, make sure that your dough is really soft for it to rise when you deep fry it. Make sure it is soft. If it's not soft, then just give it time and let it rest until it is soft. So that's how I make the balls. So simple, so easy, so convenient, so fast, so efficient, so economical. Oh my god. And when that is done, next up is obviously rolling out the balls into, well, not that thin circles, but let me show you in the few next slides. You lightly flatten the balls. First of all, lightly flatten the balls so that you can have an easy time when you're rolling them out. You can do this with your hands, not much big of a deal. The next step is actually rolling it. You can lightly flour your surface with flour so that it cannot stick on the surface. And then use a rolling pin and roll it out. The dough should not be too thin, because if it's too thin, then your mandazis are just gonna be crisps. Okay, so your dough should be medium, not too thin, not too thick, unless you like thick mandazis. So not too thin, if at all you don't want to eat crisps as breakfast. Okay, so let's do this. You can hold your dough like that when you're cutting it. You can cut it into 4 or any preferable size. Repeat the same process for the next balls or dough or whatever you gonna call them. Repeat the same process. Roll it out, not too thin, not too thick, just medium. As you can see, I'm not spreading out the dough until it's like the size of the surface. Just make sure that it's thick. It's not thick. Oh my god, it's thick. It's not thick and it's not thin. A reasonable size that you would like want your mandazis to be. Okay. You can as well comment in the comment section which recipe you'd like to see next. I don't mind. I love cooking, so yeah, I can make a video for you to follow through as you cook your stuff at home. So yeah, comment on the comment section in case you're interested. Don't mind the shape, by the way. It doesn't matter. You don't have to have perfect circles like chapatis. You don't have to have perfect circles. As you can see, when you cut out the dough into 4, you already have the perfect shape for mandazi. It doesn't matter if your dough is square or a diamond or whatever. The shape doesn't matter at all. But if you can, try and make it as much as possible to be kind of round. Okay? Yeah, these are tips. And then guys, you're gonna forgive me because I don't know what happened to the deep frying footage. I lost it. I don't know what happened, but this is the final look. This is the final presentation of the mandazis. Now you can eat your mandazis as a snack, as breakfast, anything you prefer. I decided to dust my mandazis with icing sugar to add a little bit of taste. This is not flour, this is icing sugar, so you can do this to enhance your presentation in case you're cooking for your guests. And that would be it from me today. Till next time, bye.